reds and pinks. You may be holding quiet grief in your hands, but even shattered glass can catch the light. On this day that celebrates love, don't forget to turn some toward yourself. Wrap it around your shoulders like a soft February sun. Say to yourself gently that love didn't fail. It was just mishandled. And the one who binds broken hearts, the one who loved to the cross, he can make aching hearts whole again. And with time and healing, it will love wiser, stronger, and